Good night, Zimbabwe. When food is wielded as a weapon, understand that the enemies of the nation are not hiding. They are seated comfortably in power, tightening their claws around a hungry population. This is not governance. It is a deliberate assault on the dignity of a people, masterminded by individuals who thrive on manufactured poverty and political captivity. A nation starved is a nation controlled, and that is exactly the script they are running. Sadabina mashuka tukonekera mjati ayo haasi kumira panguva ine maatax ari kuita of the ruling party ZANU-PF. Panguva inoi nemadonations ari kupiwa kune vanhu, panguva ino vanyatsokuya chikriticize vachiti aiwa uku ndokunyatsokunzi kuya muchimukiwa nevanhu vamoziva kuti they have the capability yekuti vakwanise kukuemployai nekukuitia kuti mukwanise kuwana ramangwana rakanaka ndokusubscribe like on the bell icon. Tinoenda padecision atoona nezvigananda panguva inoi yekuti mwana wese muZimbabwe anofanira kungotambira. Kena mujati anoenda mberi achiti no Zimbabwean should be dragged into the humiliation of kneeling before a so-called presidential food scheme or clutching auxiliary Mnangagwa's token seeds like salvation. These are not acts of charity. They are chains, calculated, cynical chains designed to keep citizens dependent, silent, and subdued, while the architects of their misery parade themselves as benefactors. This must be exposed for what it is, a regime strategy built on hunger, fear, and psychological domination. Zimbabweans are not livestock to be fed only when it serves the ruling elite. We are not pawns in their political theater, a leadership that starves its people. To command loyalty is not a leadership, it is a parasitic machinery feeding off national suffering, and the nation must call it out relentlessly, fearlessly, and without apology. Out Amazon, he must go. Viva Chwenga. Domashukwa anoitwa panguva ine nakirina mjati. Mbudza mafunguro enyu matudi pamusoro awo pamashoko ake ariuya panguva ine achidismisa zvakananda. Ndakumese kuchemenu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.